Imagine walking through the vibrant streets of New York City and hearing someone say something like, "That's mad good pizza." You might wonder, are they expressing anger or frustration about the pizza? When a New Yorker uses the word mad in this way, they are not referring to anger at all. Instead, mad serves as an intensifier, essentially meaning very or a lot. This unique usage stems from the rich tapestry of New York's local dialect and linguistic evolution. It functions as an adverbial intensifier, which means it is used to add emphasis to an adjective or another adverb. It elevates the degree of whatever is being described, painting a more vivid picture of quality, quantity, or intensity. It is a way to convey extreme levels without always needing more formal vocabulary, reflecting the fast-paced and expressive nature of communication here. So if you hear someone say, "I'm mad hungry," it means they are extremely hungry. If a New Yorker describes a concert as mad crowded, they are telling you it was exceptionally full of people. You might also hear someone exclaim, "That's mad expensive," indicating a very high price. It is used to quickly convey a strong feeling or observation. This particular slang term is a fantastic example of how language adapts and evolves within specific urban environments. It is a linguistic shortcut that communicates a high degree of something with a single, impactful word. While its origins are debated, its prevalence in casual New York speech is undeniable, often associated with a younger, more dynamic urban lexicon. Understanding this simple piece of local slang can truly enhance your comprehension of everyday conversations in the city. It allows you to connect more authentically with the rhythm and expression of New Yorkers, moving beyond the literal dictionary definition to grasp the true meaning and feeling behind their words. It is like unlocking a small, but significant, piece of the city's unique conversational code.